Hello dear friend, in today's episode we will go through several new features, very important features in DaVinci Resolve 20. You know there are several new features inside DaVinci Resolve 20, and if you use DaVinci Resolve 20 for your production work, and in future you will use DaVinci Resolve 20 from DaVinci Resolve 19 version to 20 version, you must know and go through all these features. If you don't know these features, you will not perfectly able to use DaVinci Resolve for your production work. In today's tutorial we will go through all these processes, all these new features step by steps, and practically we will apply all these new features inside our clip. There are several new exciting features inside DaVinci Resolve 20, and after this update from 19 to 20 version, DaVinci Resolve is the best perfect video editing software and the superior software, superior to Premiere Pro, Avid Media Composer, etc. Dear friend, once you go through this video without skipping any part of the video, you don't need to see any other video on YouTube. In detail we will go through all the processes here. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC, into DaVinci Resolve 20 to go through all these new features here. Hello dear friend, now we are in the updated DaVinci Resolve here, and we just click. You see I have a file here, I have a video here, and I will just click here. This is a video for our tutorial purpose, so we just click here, and now you can see now we are inside our timeline. So first major update about the DaVinci Resolve, which I think is good for us, for everyone, is that you can record, dear friend, from here. You see here, and you can record directly from here. Just click here, and you have to select a microphone here. I have a Blue Yeti microphone, just I have selected, and you can check the track. We just add a track here, add a track. So I have track 2 here, and we will come here to audio track. No, it will be recorded on audio track 2, and we can start recording from here. So I just speak here. Hello dear friend, there is a major update for the DaVinci Resolve 20 here, and now we are recording voiceover directly here in the edit page. We have recorded and we play now. Hello dear friend, there is a major update for the DaVinci Resolve 20 here, and now we are recording voiceover directly here in the edit page. This is a good features here. Before that we used to record our audio here in Fairlight page, and we have to select all the channels etc. So we don't need to select anything. We can directly from here record our audio. And in the same way, if you come to cut page here, in the cut page you can directly record from here. You see all the settings are here. Hello dear friend, if this class is helpful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations to make more tutorial for you, more creative tutorial for you. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing due to the algorithm of YouTube. But you can make it possible just by liking, subscribing, writing a comment, and you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. It may help them a lot, dear friend. Only you can spread this video to the wider audiences on YouTube so that it can be beneficial to them, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our next exciting feature in DaVinci Resolve 20. From here you can record, and you can select the audio input etc. You see a recording track, you can select monitoring timeline audio etc. You see no countdown etc. Everything you can select here. Voiceover recording file location, you can give the location anywhere. I don't need no, so you can do from here. And here enable prompter overlay etc. You can do here. Here you can see meter is visible here, so this is a good feature. And from here you can stop, and from here you can directly record, and you can cue here, pause here, dear friend. So this is the good features. Try these new features in the DaVinci Resolve 20 here. Second good features which everyone needs, I think it's very necessary for the most of people. No same like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve has, you see, keyframing here in timeline directly. For example, I want to keyframing from here. Just I click here, start keyframing. I give the zoom effect here in this way, and here I will decrease zoom again, and here we will again zoom up here. You see here. So we have added keyframes here. You see keyframe, and now we just click here, And now see, we have all the positions etc here. Here you can see transform, zooms, everything. So you can control directly from here now, and you can add keyframing directly from here. You can reset here, dear friend. All the values have appeared here in the keyframe parameters. This is the good features now, and we can use, because this is now beta version. Sometime it may not works in the trial version, but after the release of a stable version, it will work very fast. So try, and the same way we have keyframing here. You see, it will click here and it will appear here. Because of the beta trial, sometime it doesn't work, but most of time it works. So this is also the good feature for most of the people. Next feature is AI super scale. You can see here it will appear here just in our inspector panel. Here you see AI super scale. Let's see how we use. For example, I want to just split the video. You see, we have split video into two parts, and we want to add some transitions here. So come here for effect panels. Here in effect, you see video transitions. We just click here, for example, this cross iris. Okay, and we'll just increase the width of iris transitions here. You can see, and let's see now how it works. In video, you see, no, I just click AI super scale. It will automatically super scale the transitions. So now you see, we have applied this AI super scale here, and now you can see this software, your PC will be faster, dear friends. You see how nicely it's super scaling our video here. You see our transition. Because of the beta version, it is sometimes lags. It's also good features. It's like dynamic zoom we use. The same way, you don't need to do anything. It will automatically work here. Next good feature is here you can see show music beats. If you have music and you edit your clips with music, for example, I have this music from YouTube, and we just drag here and we want to add here, and we can add music beats here. Just click the clips audio music here and click here show music beats. Now it's initializing. AI detects music beats. So here you see everywhere you have beats here. You see here it's a beats here. It's automatically snapping here. You see it's a beats. It has recognized everywhere, and you can add anything point here and some things if you want to add from here. In the next tutorial we will make it more clear, dear friend. If you want to learn it in detail, you can go to my playlist and see I have explained most of the features in DaVinci Resolve 20. We will just show you some of the major features, so it's also a good feature. Our next feature is you see multi-text. It's a very demanded feature in DaVinci Resolve. Using this feature you can write a lots of text here. Let's see how it works. So we just drag here and we have added to our timeline here, and we can add several text here. So you can see we have text here, and I want to type multi-text several sentences here. Just here. So you see I have a multi-text here, and there are several settings for this. You see here, and it will be round text etc, like in the same setting several text you can add here. Once we have added text here, you see here text. Now you have to come to layout. In layout you see here point here. In point you can make it circle. You see text will be in circle, very beautiful. If you have a less sentence, you can use in a circle here, but I want to make it like something text box effect. So you see we have text box effects here, and you can change the size from here. You can put anywhere. For example, I put here. Here we can resize here, and all the text effect you can add. If you know DaVinci Resolve basic how to add text, it's not so tough here. So you can change the color of text settings. You just come here, and we want to text something red, so it's a visible here, and you can change the font, style, image. You can add settings. These are the basics. And layout. It's a so fantastic feature. Now you can add several sentences inside DaVinci Resolve, and without problems, and all the settings are here, and you can add more sentences. You see more text you can add, and you can take a round style here. This is the simple, and you can add more round, and this round. You see from here you can add directly text etc here. So try this feature, very small feature and very important, and this is a really a very demanded features for a long time. One very important feature is about the cache management. You know, DaVinci Resolve generates a lots of cache files, and you need 200 300 GB extra if you have a long project to edit, dear friend. It's actually game changing feature for me, because I used to delete 100 GB in 2 and 3 days. Just come here, you see DaVinci Resolve. Here you have to come here for preference. In preference you come to user here, and in user you see cache management. From here you see delete cache files older than, you can make 2 days 3 days. I delete every day because I edit 1 or 2 projects every day, so I need to delete large cache file, dear friend. So I select one day. In one day you can select 2 3 4 5 10 20 whatever, but I use one day, dear friends. Very good. And after changing this, just click save. So try this new feature. So it's really a game changing feature. Hello dear friend, one very important new feature is Chroma Warp. Here I have detailed tutorial how Chroma Warp works. Go to the playlist and see in the detail. In a short, I want to show you how it works, dear friend. So you see we have this curve here. This is a color slice which was added in last year in DaVinci Resolve 19. We come here, you see here, this is actually Chroma Warp. But before that we have a traditional warp. Here you see this is traditional, these are traditional which we have been using. But we come to Chroma Warp here, and there are several settings here. You see here, when you click here, add a stroke, this is normal mode. This add a stroke, this is point to point mode, and you can add pinpoint here and select from here. These are the, you see, chroma range, exposure, tonal range low, tonal range high, tonal range pivot. You can make all such type of adjustment. Let's see how it works. For example, I just take this to stroke, and we come here, you see our t-shirt here, and our t-shirt is red. We just click here, and we can give some other color here. You see I am changing the color here. You see I have totally changed. You can see I had red color, but we had changed to green. I have tutorial, go there and see how it works. In this short tutorial I can't explain all this, dear friend. So you see I am changing the color. You can change this color in this way, you can take in this way, and you can anytime reset from here. Just reset, you can delete all effect. So once again we come here, just add pinpoint, and we take this here t-shirt our we have selected, and we want to change. I want to give this color. You see we have changed. I want to take this green. You see it has perfectly worked here. So you can see I have a green t-shirt here. So you can change the background and other colors, any selected color if you want. It works very easily. Before that we use this color warper hue saturation. It was not so accurate, but it's so accurate, and this is really a game changing feature for colorists, dear friends. Go to the playlist and see all type of new features, all the exciting features in DaVinci Resolve. Write me in the comment box which type of features of DaVinci Resolve 20 you like, which type of features you need every day for editing your clips, your video project. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.